said 5G, nigga? You gonna stop acting like you the only nigga getting money, man. Make it 10, man. What's wrong with you, man? Nigga, we getting more money than you, man. You know what I'm saying?
I got a G for every bump on your face, nigga. Whatever you want, man.
Hey, what you laughing at, man? You need to put your man on. He look bad. Tell that nigga to hit you with an ounce of something. You know, it's my Thursday call, man. On Saturday, I'm breaking out with something new, alright? Saturday, I'm going to bring some promo.
Okay, I came in the game, killing shit just like a veteran. Every time I spit in front the mic, I swear it's like a blast. I'm a king up in these streets, and these niggas, they some peasants. I ain't grinding for the future, shit I wanted in the past. I done came a long way from a nigga on the bottom. When you play me in your speakers, you gon' know that I'm a proud. Put the whole team on my back, and then I told them that I got it. I'm a young, smooth nigga too, real that's how I started. I can tell you about them long nights and trapping with them thugs. Always gotta shout them out because them niggas show me love. Tell me all about this life and how to get it out the mud. Told my mama that I'll make it better, send me #1. I ain't stopping till it's done. I know shooters with them drums. Couple G's just for their kill shot, they gon' chew you like some gum. They get real up in my city and the gutter where I'm from. I ain't never had a stunt, I just do this shit for fun. Every time I'm in the studio, I turn into a beast. Cause if I hop up on that beat, I might just eat it like a feast. Dog rising like it's yeast, speaking to him like a priest. I'm the best to say the least, man, you should pay to hear me speak. I ain't never had to switch up on no nigga in my clip. You can look into my eyes and see the real, I ain't no bitch. You can catch me in the vibe with some OG just hitting licks. Feds come around the corner, close my eyes and plead the fifth. In the trap is where I learned that I'm a dog and I can fight. You ain't never had a struggle, you won't make it through the night. In the trap there was no color, so I had to sacrifice anything to get that gold chain, so I had to pay the price. Best believe I made it back, 9 to 5 it was my trap. Couple meetings with the plug and then I'm leaving with the sack. On the block is where I'm at, and you know I never lack. And my youngest run up on you cause them niggas into that. Anything just for the queen, for them to put on for the team. When you see me in the party, I'm mixing handy with some lean. I be with my enemies, and I'm feeling hella mean. Just to put on for the squad, man, I swear that's how it be. Yeah. Y'all niggas thought I was gone, huh? Shouts out, man, I'm in this bitch. TNG.